Hey everybody, I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aromahead Institute, and in this video I want to show you an inhaler that you can make for yourself if you have a cold or a flu and you need to be out and about and you just need to reduce the congestion, calm a headache, just feel more energy, feel a little better during your day. Let's say you have to work and you're sick, that kind of thing. You can just make this inhaler, stick it in your back pocket and use it all through the day. It will really help. I have the little inhaler tube here, and it has these two parts. It has the cover and what you use to actually inhale the oil. And then I have my lovely cotton wick, and I'm going to just put that right inside. And then I have the little cap that's going to go on at the end. So I've got 3 essential oils I'm going to use in here. I've got black pepper, I have got eucalyptus, so wonderful, and Fragonia. Not sure if you're familiar with Fragonia. I'll tell you about it. Okay, so I'm going to open up the black pepper, and we're going to use 2 drops of black pepper in here. And black pepper has this incredible aroma. It reminds me of peppers and lemon. So it has this spicy, typical black pepper smell, just like the spice, but then it has this lemon in it that comes after, and it's so incredible. What an incredible combination. And it's great for clearing your sinuses. So I'm going to just put 2 drops. It's a bit of a spicy oil, so I don't want too much in here. 2 drops is good. Okay, and then I'm going to put 5 each of the next 2 oils. So 5 drops of eucalyptus. A lot of people know eucalyptus. It's a classic. I mean, I feel like, how could I possibly feel bad when I'm smelling this oil? It's so invigorating, so opening, opens your sinuses, opens your energy, moves things. So I'll put 5 drops in. There we go, perfect. Those 2 together are great. If you've never tried that combination, you definitely want to. And then our very special Fragonia. Fragonia is actually a plant that grows natively in Australia. That's where this oil is from. And it's really great to combine with black pepper and eucalyptus because from a chemistry perspective, it has some similar components in it to both the black pepper and the eucalyptus. It has α-pinene and 1,8 cineole. So those are components of the essential oil. And it has both, and the black pepper has the α-pinene and the eucalyptus has the 1,8 cineole. So there's this synergy going on from a chemical component perspective that allows this blend to be extra effective. Did you catch that? Okay, little mini chemistry lesson when you're making your inhaler. So 5 drops it is of the Fragonia. Wow, that came out fast. Okay, I think I actually got 6 drops, but that's okay because there's room. I usually use somewhere between around 10 or 15 drops in an inhaler, so we're in good shape here. Great. All right, so then I'm just going to put the cap on, and you kind of push it to make sure that it snaps in, and then you can just take the top off, and there you go. Wow, that's so invigorating. I love making these videos because I get to just make these great blends and smell them. It's really fun. All right, so this is your handy dandy inhaler for your back pocket if you have a cold or a flu. All right, take care. See you soon.